got a new Plasma Cut 55 MP. Look how nice and compact this unit is. This thing is tiny. Look at that. Now, if you remember previously, I'd gotten one of their different models, and this connection back here at the regulator for your air was a little different. They've upgraded it to 1/4-inch NPT, so you can put a standard air fitting on there. Okay, let's see what we got here. English, yep. Ooh, stickers. Check that out. This is really cool. All car people love stickers. You could probably just send us a box of stickers and we'd be excited. Anyway, let's get to reading. I'm going to skip over the safety stuff. I'm just kidding. Go back and read that stuff. We've got our lead set. We've even got a little guide clip already on the head there for you. And our adapter, so we can run it on 110 or 220, as well as a handy dandy little wrench for changing out your consumables and tips. We've got our ground lead. They also send you some consumables, which is great. And how about this? Nice cover for the unit. How awesome is that? This hose is optional if you're going to be running a non-quick disconnect shop airline. You can plumb it in hard with that. And a carrying strap. This way you can be fashionable and cut metal. Does it look good on me? Does it match? Ooh, look at that, no hands. Doing a little bit more reading before we fire the machine up, make sure we got everything hooked up right. It says here, the Cut 55 MP is equipped with Bluetooth app control function, which makes the operation more intelligent. Do I really need something that's more intelligent? Or don't I? Or do I? We're gonna download the app and try it out though. I'm kind of curious to see what you can do with it. Several different modes. There's a mode button on the front of here. We'll show you in a second. Some of these modes are plate cutting, grid cutting, rust removal, and gouging. That's pretty cool. So like if you're cutting expanded metal or something with holes in it and you're cutting through the holes, you're going to get a better, smoother cut because this is designed for that. We'll have to put that to the test as well. As you can see, the front of the display is all pretty simple. Here are all your connections. Those are very easy to make. You have your one adjustment knob right here. That's going to control your amperage. You can see it shows that we were plugged into 240 volts. You have your mode buttons. There's 4 different modes on here. In this mode, you're just regular cutting. And in this mode, you are cutting like expanded or holes. And on this one, you are in your gouge setting. And on the final mode, that is our rust removal. I'm curious to see how that goes. You also have 2T, 4T, PT, and PA. You can also change between your pressure settings. I downloaded the ARC Captain app on my phone. You can connect to your device via Bluetooth. So I can come in here and click on my device. It shows I'm currently in cut 2T mode. How awesome is that? You can click on cut and it shows you how you should be connected. We can confirm that. And then you have all of your settings here. All right, first things first, we're gonna try out the rust removal mode. We got a little bit of rust there. So we got it on there. We're just gonna kind of hold it sideways and do a sweeping motion and see how it does. That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. All right, next we've got our guide on here and we're just gonna make a straight cut across this thing. Look at that, nice clean cut. Look at that, that's awesome. I never let off the trigger. It just automatically shut off right when we got to the hole and kicked back on. That's really cool. Now, for the fun stuff, we're gonna start cutting through different thicknesses of materials, and I think I have some aluminum, some stainless as well. We can try it out on those. Let's have fun with that. there you go. This little machine killed it, did everything it was supposed to do. I was surprised by a couple things, like the app. I didn't know that was even a thing, but it is, and that's cool, and that's pretty handy. So you also have the rust removal function. I didn't know how that was going to work. I really like it. Now, all these cuts work better on the cleanest metal. The cleaner the metal, the better your cut is going to be. Well, let's say you forgot to bring your sandpaper or your grinder with you. You can at least bust most of the rust off there and make a better cut without having to go reach for another tool. Cutting across those open holes in the flex plate, that was awesome. I wish I had some expanded around here to show you how to cut on that with the same function, but that's a good reason for you to like and follow on all of our YouTube social media pages so you can watch us use this in future projects. Lightweight, compact, affordable, easy to operate. This is awesome. When I first entered the world of custom cars and fabrication, I felt like all of these specialty tools were out of reach. They're not. You just have to find the right company to work with. I've bought all the expensive ones. I've bought a $3,000 plasma cutter and a $4,000 welder. This does the same thing, and it looks great next to the MiG 200, doesn't it? It's a nice combo. So in conclusion, awesome. All just kinds of awesomeness. Make sure to go check out Art Captain. I'm going to have links below for me, for Art Captain, and for the equipment. And don't forget, discount codes. Everybody loves discount codes. Put it here, or I might put it here. It's going to be up here somewhere. Something like that. Go check them out. Check out all their products. Get the equipment that you deserve. Some of you just got some gift cards for Christmas, or maybe you got some Christmas money from Grandma. Now's a good time to check it out. Till next time, happy hot rodding.